Save your work before you return to the CAD program. Go to the Update Drawing command from the Alternate menu. This dialog box will appear. Select items that you wish to depict in the drawings as well as the information such as pipe size, length, pressure drop, etc. Do the same for the sprinklers. Select the sprinklers that you want and the information that you wish to appear. So all the information from the network has automatically been updated into the drawing. By selecting a pipe segment, because this is a BIM software, the characteristics of the pipe display automatically. You can also get the program to display the most unfavorable group, as well as the 4 most unfavorable nodes. Finally, you can convert the 2D line into a 3D model, which you can export into a 3D DXF or DWG drawing for sharing with other software programs. This concludes the FineFIRE presentation. Thank you so much for watching.